Question 27. A certain metal oxide contains 60% of metal. The equivalent mass of metal is. Now look here, metal oxide, MO. M is metal, O is oxygen, made up of metal and oxygen. Total percentage of metal oxide we have to contain here 100% is equal to suppose 100 gram. Metal contains here 60% means 60 gram. Remaining is of oxygen, that is a 40%. Let us consider here 40 gram. Since 40 gram of oxygen is equal to here 60 gram of metal. Any mass of oxygen, any mass of metal. Then equivalent mass of oxygen is 8 gram per equivalent. Therefore 8 gram of oxygen is equal to equivalent mass of metal. Let us determine equivalent mass of metal. Equivalent mass of metal into 40 is equal to 60 into 8. We get here 60 into 8 upon 40. 5 is 12 gram per equivalent. D is the correct option. 28. The hydrated sodium carbonate exists in decahydrate form. What is the percentage loss of water when the salt becomes completely anhydrous? What is the meaning of this numerical? Sodium carbonate is given. It exists in decahydrate form. Means 10 moles of water are associated with it. Then it becomes anhydrous. Anhydrous means complete loss of water molecule. On heating, we get here Na2CO3 plus 10H2. तो देखना है कितना परसेंटेज वाटर का लॉस हुआ है. इसके लिए हमें इसका मोलर मास निकालना जरूरी है. 1 सोडियम 23, 2 सोडियम 46, 1 कार्बन 12, 3 ऑक्सीजन 48, 106. 1 वाटर 18 है, 10 वाटर 180 आ जाएगा. एक वाटर का मोलर मास है 18, 10 वाटर का 180. टोटल आ गया ये 286 ग्राम पर मोल. तो ये इसको हीट करने के बाद में हमको मिलता है 10 मोल ऑफ वाटर. 10 मोल ऑफ वाटर का मास है 180 ग्राम. इतना है, इतना लॉस हो गए. परसेंटेज फॉर्म में निकालना है. परसेंटेज लॉस ऑफ वाटर is equal to how many water loss? 10 mole water loss means 180 gram of water loss. What is the total weight? Here 286 into 100. This comes to 62.93%, nearly equal to 63%. Option is D. Question number 29. The density of 2 molar aqueous solution of Na2H2O3 is 1.20 gram per ml. What is the molality of the solution? In this, dear students, molarity we have to convert into molality. Let us see here. Density is given. What is the meaning of a 2 molar solution of Na2H2O3 is nothing but 2 mole of Na2H2O3 in 1 liter. Here, what is the volume of the solution? Volume of solution is equal to 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Density is given, volume is given. We can determine the weight of the solution. We know that the formula, density is equal to weight upon volume. Therefore, weight is equal to density into volume of the solution. Density is 1.20, volume is equal to 1000. This comes to 1200 gram. Dear students, remember this W is weight of the solution. Then for molality, we have to find out the weight of the solvent. Here, this is the weight of the solution. Well, we have here 2 mole of the solute. Let us find what is the weight of a 2 mole of a Na2S2O3. That is the weight of the solute. Na2S2O3. 2 sodium, 1 sodium 23, 2 sodium 46, 1 sulfur 32, 2 sulfur 64, 1 oxygen 16, 3 oxygen 1 here 48. The addition come here 150 gram per mole. This is the molar mass. How many mole? Here 2 mole. Therefore total weight of a 2 mole of a Na2S2O3 is equal to 158 into 2. This will come 316 gram per mole. This is for 2 mole. 316 gram. What is the weight of the solution? 1200 gram. Weight of the solute 316 gram. Then what is the weight of the solvent? Water. Weight of solvent is equal to weight of solution minus weight of solute. What is the weight of the solution? Total weight 1200. Weight of the solute 316. 884 gram. This is the weight of the solvent. Then we know the formula of this 884 gram of solvent is equal to how many kilogram? 0.884 kilogram. Then let us solve molality. What is the formula of a molality? Molality M is equal to number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute per kilogram weight of the solvent, W1. This is the W2 weight of the solute, and kg weight of the solvent. What is the number of mole of the solute? 2. What is the weight of the solvent here? 0.884. The answer comes to be 2.26 mole. This is the molality of the solution. Option A is correct one. Then let us see here question 30. The number of Cl- ions present in 190 gram magnesium chloride is. Now look here. First we have to calculate the molar mass of magnesium chloride. 1 magnesium 24, 2 chlorine, 1 chlorine 35.5, 2 chlorine 71. This is 95 gram per mole. How much quantity of magnesium chloride given? 190. Then number of moles of this magnesium chloride is equal to given weight 190 upon molar mass is a given weight upon molar mass is a 95. This is equal to 2 mole. 190 gram of magnesium chloride contains 2 mole. Let us find out the number of a Cl- ions. Since 1 mole of MgCl2 contains 2 Cl- ions. How many? 2 Cl- ions. Therefore, 2 mole of MgCl2 will contain 4 Cl- ions. Therefore, as 4 moles of a Cl- ions are formed, the number of Cl- ions is equal to total moles 4 into Avogadro's number Na. Answer is 4 into Na. D is the correct option.